Hello guys, this is Coach Mary for now. Andito kami ngayon sa Conrad Hotel. Okay, so hindi po kami nag-check-in syempre. Dito lang kami sa Mall of Asia to attend Christmas Eve Mass. Okay, i-share ko lang sa inyo ang outfit ko, of course. Okay, I'm wearing a camiseta. Okay, painting on fabric by Katrina Fallon. Ang ganda, diba? It has a phoenix. It has a Chinese lady there na nakatalikod siya. If you know Katrina Fallon, she is fan of painting a lady na nakatalikod at hindi siya nakatingin. At yung mukha na hindi mo makikita. Very mysterious. Meron din siyang aso or bulldog na parang binabantayan yung babae doon sa painting. This is a Katrina Fallon shirt, okay, by camiseta. I'm wearing also skirt by Raf, Orange and Famous by Prince and Prince, and a Zugo school shiny shoes. Uso kayo to guys, sobrang uso. Kaya binigyan nila ako ng one pair, actually two pairs na yung binigay nila sa akin to vlog. Okay, so if you want a school shoe, guys, I'm also wearing Sugar shoes. Okay, this is a shiny school shoes from Sugar. Ang ganda, diba? This is shiny black. Yung super uso daw ngayon na shoes, school shoes. There you go. My fashion theme for this Christmas is Christmas Oriental. I'm also carrying my Hermes bag, Birkin. I don't know the size. Maybe this is 25, Birkin 25. It was given to me by my sponsor from Dubai. O diba, very naku, mahal na mahal ko tong bag na to. I cannot use it outside. Very delikado now. So that's why I should have a card with me. Eto naman ang lipstick ko, Into It. It was given to me by Mayan. Okay, the friend of mine na nasa real estate agent for SMDC. Tingnan nyo na lang, no? Ito ay, okay, LS04 Berry Royal. Yan ang gamit ko, lipstick. Okay, guys, enjoy the Christmas. You don't have to be, diba? Too pushy to dress up. All you have to do is coordinate. Tingnan nyo lang yung team. Okay, or this is, by the way, may I repeat again, this is Oriental Christmas that I'm wearing right now. As you can see, Oriental has red. It has red. It has, parang mga halaman. Kasi diba, Oriental is, they have gardens, they have forests. That's why my skirt has, parang puno lang yung, diba? Ganda, napaka-artistic. So there you go. Merry Christmas! Alright, pagkatapos naman ng lipstick ko, yung pink Loy, yan yung shade niya. Okay, you can look for that in any SM branches, Robinson's Galleria, or any mall. Okay, just look for Into It and you will have this shade. Ang pagka-red niya is reddish pink, kaya maganda siya. Hindi siya yung red na nagba-brown. Ayoko kasi nagba-brown. When you wanted to look younger, you have to look for the red that has a blue tone on it or a pink tone on it. Don't look for the red na may brownish. Para magmukha maliwanag yung mukha mo, diba? And then what else? Okay, so I have the Pull and Bear. This is in the 1964. I don't know if this is already antique. This is 1964, necklace. Ang ganda, diba? Okay, so ang dami kong, necklace na, siya, antique. I consider this, artifacts. Meron ako mga alahas na nakuha nila sa isang sunken ship. The reason why it's mahal. Sometimes it costs you million for you to sell. Kasi yung original na Pull and Bear, Sarah, who else? Cartier, who else? Sino pa ba? Swarovski. Okay. Yung mga crystal nung unang panahon na signature brand ng semi-precious stone is very expensive, lalo na pag ito ay hinukay sa lupa or madalas nakukuha yung mga antigo or yung mga replica paglubog ng barko. Ako siya sa Google, nakita ko siya, very, very, very old na necklace. Kaya nagustuhan ko siya, guys. Okay, so that's why ang ganda-ganda niya. So, nung una, ayoko siyang anuhin kasi sabi ko, ay, ang pangit ang kulay brown, nakakatanda, gano'n. And then, tinago ko lang siya. Hindi ko alam na tumagal yung panahon. Ganito na siya ka-valuable at talagang yung beauty na ay hindi mo mapapantayan. So, napaka-ethnic siya at meron siya, parang siyang merong story behind that. Hindi natin alam baka patay na yung may-ari nito. Siyempre, of course, this is a 1964 replica Pull and Bear na accessories. So yan, hindi ako masyado sa gold, hindi ako masyado sa silver. Mas gusto ko yung mga lumang alahas. Yung iba, meron pa ako mga tribal, yung galing sa mga katutubo. I had that already. Na sinama ko sa collection ko, and I don't have any plans na ibenta sila because it's gonna be a heirloom. By the way, guys, for this fashion shoot, I also use Sanleia. I'm wearing Sanleia red shoes or Mary Jane shoes. It's very vintage. Wow, napakaganda niya for Christmas. If you like to collect red shoes, okay, Sanleia is also great. Napaka-elegant at saka super shiny. Yun yung gusto ko sa guys, eto na ang aking Christmas fashion shoots. As you can see, I didn't buy too much. Okay, yung mga old collection ko lang yung mga ginamit ko. At pinagsama-sama ko siya. Remember na sa fashion, doesn't have to be too expensive or too cheap. Hindi naman sobrang cheap ka na para kang naglalakad ng basahan sa kalye, di ba? So, moderate lang tayo sa fashion. Okay, ibig sabihin, nandun tayo, very timely. Okay, so, sa susunod na vlog ko, isisend ko sa inyo ang fashion team. Iba't ibang fashion team na wala kayong gagawin kundi hukayin lang yung mga old clothes galing sa lola nyo, okay? This has been Coach Mary Yang for Fashion Vlog. Okay, don't forget my upcoming book, Where is My Supernova? And of course, the rest of the book that I am creating right now. Okay? So, have a great day, everyone. Have a Merry Christmas. Enjoy mo lang ang Christmas. Don't be too pushy. Cool ka lang, okay? So, ito yung timeline, hindi ko dapat magkaroon ng masyadong maraming pressure. Alright? So, have a great day. Have a great Christmas. Stay beautiful. Stay peaceful. And, of course, simple lang tayo, pero beautiful pa rin.